Hey guys, good morning. Yeah, I don't know what time it is. I think it should be probably like around 5 something. But I just like to wake up early, earlier because then I just go to, work out and then I'm doing, other stuff as well. But yeah, by the way, yeah, I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching my video, and it means a lot for me. And I'm happy that to see that some of you guys are starting as well to do calisthenics like me. I'm a beginner as well. I'm technically a beginner. I'm starting to learn, the frog stand. So I kind of like learn it. But now, I'm just progressing. I'm trying to progress more um, to do the headstand, but that's gonna be freaking difficult. It's gonna take me a long time to do that. But yeah, so I'm going to try to do it, in any way. Don't forget to press the subscribe button to keep on following, and hope to see you the next time. And please drop down any comments, because I just want to see what is your experience as well, by starting calisthenics. So yeah, so I'm going to try my first headstand. So guys, I just arrived here just to do some frog stand. I did it before. I'm going to do the headstand. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but hopefully it's going to work. But yeah, you can see the weather. I hope it's not going to rain or something. But yeah, it's yeah, let's do it. I try to do the the headstand, but it's pretty much, it's not that easy. But as usual, I tried the frog stand before, and it was difficult for me as well. But yeah, now I'll probably constantly practice. I'll see how it's going to go anyway.